Fellow advisors, let me ask you, how many assets in your client's portfolio would you allow to go to zero without a fight? Probably none. Yet, every day, we see valuable life insurance policies surrendered for pennies, or allowed to lapse completely. I'm Joe Wade with Wade Financial Group. Today, I want to change how you look at the life settlement market. It may be a solution for many of your clients. We help individuals who no longer need, or can no longer afford their coverage, turning those unwanted premiums into significant cash settlements. Visit us at wadefg.com to partner with us. Wade Financial Group presents Unlocking Hidden Value, the Advisor's Guide to Life Settlements. Advisors, are you overlooking a key asset that could unlock significant value for your clients? Look at this number. Every single year, a staggering $200 billion in life insurance value is just forfeited. That's a massive opportunity that seniors and their families are simply missing out on. For decades, the choices were pretty disheartening. You could let the policy lapse for nothing or surrender it. But a life settlement introduces a true market-driven alternative, a real third option. Think about it like this. You wouldn't just abandon a house. You'd sell it for what it's worth. So it's time to reframe the conversation. A policy isn't an expense, it's property with a market value. So, who is buying these policies? It's not individuals. We are talking about large institutional investors, pension funds, private equity firms, and asset managers. These are highly regulated entities that view life insurance policies as a stable, long-term asset class. So, you might be asking, why in the world would an investor want to buy my client's life insurance policy? Well, for them, it's a predictable financial asset. They're on the hunt for policies with a really high efficiency. When they find one like that, they call it investor gold. Who's eligible? Got clients with life insurance policies they no longer need or can't afford? Life settlements could unlock significantly more value than surrender or lapse. We're looking for universal life, term, and whole life policies. Face amounts from $100,000 to $50 million. Clients 65 and older in good health may qualify. Younger clients with medical impairments or critical illnesses can qualify at any age. But we don't just offer cash buyouts. We offer term rescue, retained death benefit options, hybrid settlements with cash plus coverage, and premium finance rescue. Qualification criteria may vary by state and specific buyer requirements. Life settlements can be essential tools for serving your clients' best interests while creating significant revenue opportunities for your practice. Today, I'm walking you through 4 real case studies that demonstrate the tangible value life settlements deliver to clients and the advisors who serve them. Meet a 93-year-old client holding a $4 million policy with zero cash value. Facing serious health challenges, he needed liquidity now, but refused to leave his family empty-handed. Solution? A retained death benefit settlement. The client walked away with $585,000 cash immediately. His heirs kept a $2 million death benefit. The advisors earned a $200,000 commission. Win. Next up, 84-year-old woman with a $1 million universal life policy and $62,000 of cash value. She doesn't need the coverage. Kids are grown, estate is done, she's set. Health, coronary artery disease, life expectancy about 8 years. If she surrenders it, the carrier hands her a $62,000 check. But her advisor knew better. They sell it as a life settlement for $150,000, more than double the cash value. That's an extra $88,000 in her pocket, because her advisor actually knew this market exists. Roughly a $30,000 commission, a smarter outcome for everyone involved. This one's different, and it's where a lot of advisors leave money on the table. 65-year-old male, $2 million term policy, zero cash value. He's got bronchiectasis, otherwise pretty standard health. Life expectancy, 22 years. Most see no settlement value. Convert the policy. It sells for $15,000 cash. Not life-changing money, but way better than the zero he'd get if it just lapsed. And the advisor gets paid for spotting it. A win. Finally. Meet Robert, 54, with a $2 million term policy about to expire. His plan? Let it die. But his advisor had other ideas. Convert it, and the premium is about $21,600 a year. So they convert the policy, then sell it into the life settlement market. The offer, $225,000. For a policy Robert was about to toss in the trash. Robert gets $225,000, the commission is $35,000. Win. So, the big takeaway here is about changing perspective. It is about seeing that a life insurance policy is not just a safety net or an expense, it is property. And for the right client, it can become a real marketable asset. Instead of letting a policy lapse or surrendering it for pennies, a life settlement may unlock meaningful cash that can support retirement, healthcare, or family goals. If you are an advisor, this is your moment to act. Look at your book of business for clients over 65 who are thinking about dropping coverage, struggling with premiums, or holding policies they no longer need. Partner with Wade Financial Group to bring them a true third option and help ensure they are not walking away from value they have already paid for. To explore a case or to see if your clients might qualify for a life settlement review, visit us at wadefg.com and connect with our team. Together, we can help you turn overlooked policies into opportunities that better serve your clients and your practice.